Good morning, Tracy Tigers, and welcome to this week's edition of Principal Talk. I'm Mr. Bull.
And I'm Mrs. Lackey.
We are so excited to be here now that we are in December, which reminds me, December is the month of giving here at Tracy Elementary School. If you think back to last week, we had a wonderful assembly with Mrs. Dudenhofer, and we had some visitors stop by to share how we could best give. One of the places was the Humane Society, and remember, we will have all kinds of things that you can bring in for all of our pets and friends. We also had Make-A-Wish Foundation, where we are collecting coins and also writing letters to Santa. And finally, we had
our Foster Erie program.
That's what it is, the Foster Erie, because I was thinking about, they're the ones that read the wonderful story about our family and talking about some of our kids that have to move to different homes and the special goods that they get in a special backpack just for them. And we have a nice list of donations that we are excited to receive from them as well. I almost forgot, Mrs. Lackey. We usually start with a Tracy Tiger pledge. Let's all say that together. At Tracy, I respect you and you respect me. I am responsible so all can see. I choose every day to act kindly. Always a Tracy Tiger I will be. So why don't you kick off what we're doing with Second Step, Mrs. Lackey?
Well, I hope that you're doing a lot of fun learning each week with Second Step. I've heard great things from kids about their topics and the way that they are using their skills for learning and also moving into our empathy unit. So today we want to talk about showing compassion, which goes right along with empathy, and it's actually perfect for December and our month of giving. So here at Tracy, we want to put our empathy into action.
This is called showing compassion.
When we're able to understand how someone else is feeling and do something to show we understand, we are showing that person compassion.
Listening, saying kind words, and also helping are the three ways to show compassion.
Take a moment now to think about how you can show compassion to someone today.
Then find a way to do it during that very same day. These are wonderful characteristics that will help us show compassion, and please remember to help show that compassion through giving to one of the three areas that we talked about earlier in the newscast.
Our snowman is starting to fill up right down by the office, which you'll see when you walk down to the gym or the cafeteria. Lots of those cotton balls are filling him up, so we want to try to get more than one snowman filled if we can. Remember, every act of kindness that you do or things that you bring in, you get a cotton ball to place on there. So thank you for all of you who have already donated.
For sure, and like Mrs. Lackey said, Mrs. Dudenhofer challenged us to possibly fill up 2 snow men and women. That would be super exciting if we can do that. So we know that we're going to do a great job. Remember, it's just the second week of December, and we still have 3 more full weeks of school.
All right, with that,
hey, have a great Tiger Day. Bye-bye.